Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 343 of me making an app to end doom scrolling and hopefully cure your phone addiction. Now, today is a interesting day as any, because I've been working on this for almost a year now. Honestly, there's not too much new from yesterday, from the day before. I've just been making content to get more people to download the app. That's been my priority because that is seemingly what actually drives results. The app has been made for about 6 months now. I've made it a lot better every single week, but I've noticed the most impact when I've actually just focused on telling people about the app. That has made more of an impact, which is interesting because usually you'd think, oh, make the app better every day or else no one will find use of it. But turns out it's already something that helps a lot of people. And if I can tell more people about it, that may be the way to actually win. Now, today I'm trying a bit of an experiment out with hard paywalls. So basically, when people log into the app and they go through the onboarding, they will see a hard paywall, meaning they'll have to pay to use the app. I'm just trying this out for 24 hours. So if you download the app in the next 24 hours, please know, message me, or just please know that it's going to change back likely. So I'm trying that out, but I don't really think I'm going to keep it or anything. I just wanted to see how it works because right now, over the past few weeks, or past week, over 1,000 people have been downloading the app a day, which is a lot of people, and usually like less than 1% will end up paying any kind of money because the free version does work. It is um pretty helpful, and you can earn up to 300 free credits just by using the app. But yeah, that's what I'm up to today. That's what I'm testing out. Obviously, I want to help people, so I still am offering premium for free for anyone who can't afford it. That still stands. And honestly, I don't have too much else to say. I'm going to show you what the app does if you're new here now, and then we're going to wrap it up and I'm going to tell you to touch grass. All right, basically, what Curiosity Quench does is you don't block any apps, you just find something better to do than scrolling on your phone. And you can do that by exploring your unique interests and curiosities. Once you find something on this list of 1,000 different things, save it to your list, and then at that point, swipe right to do it. Okay, to do it. And what does that mean? That means you're gonna get a plan with curated content on every step to help you go through this, learn this thing, or do this thing, and not scroll on your phone because you're focused on completing a plan based on something you're interested in doing. That's the whole purpose. There's curated content for all of the plans, which took a long time, and it's an actual walkthrough of what to do. At that point, you can quench it, means you completed it, and you can celebrate. That's really it. That is the whole app. Believe it or not, this has helped a lot of people. It is helping people, and maybe it'll help you too. If you don't want to use the app, you can also apply this concept of using your curiosity to find something more interesting than scrolling and doing that, then getting a plan for that or making a plan for that and doing it. Main thing is use your curiosity because that is a great compass for something you can get lost in. And that's our goal here, to get lost in doing something more meaningful to us and our passions or interests and our genuine self. So that's it for today. I'm a bit sick, and I usually am not. So I'm going to end the video short today. I hope you guys have a great day. I love you. Take care. Touch grass. Yeah. Peace.